Nako bilioni wali kita nywaji wanna wikiwana na mbeteye mwagire kuka kuheo mukogere wege bilioni sisi ule bilioni ko bicha kuya na ikulu overnight doke na mmoja mchana kana kuja ndio nyumbe da bele ikira hii hiyo ndio mmoja mchana ndio nganya na maukenya na kuja trade ndio kwa hiyo kati bilioni go na ikulu go kwa kwa wewe kuri kabisa go kuri kabisa na ikulu hivi iko ila iko ila halo oya kwamba mwaka wa 5 tukairuka taiga tukaungana our economic growth tukaanza na akaigua kule kutira kila hali ugo au toyamo kama kile Jubilee chuki mureo muri ngi kimutonye kienda na hinja mune muno tushoke hinya todo ndege kule kitu kimwe alikuwa kwenda ndo manane ya kutofa no ulikane seneta wetako seneta Ketere wakilisho kana tuweke wa pesa na gereka tono kile kitu hapo mugi ukima deputy kama nani deputy kama na moko tutwashokelia
every time there is production tunakuja na kitu cha kuzuia ili ya kwamba hakuna production na tungependa pia
yangu jina inapotea kidogo kamanda hata kamanda kamanda mwingine habari hii wote tunawatambua na ni asanteni tukwenda kuhero na tunaona watu wangu nini ngine bora tuhenyo na jirao huru
ni kitu problem hata wote no all kwa kule maitu magakuya gata niki maja na nitone tekinya kuje one man one vote one city do kwa koro tekinya kile kulate ngode ya treke ndio na treke ina mbele one man one na mungu kwa roji.
We have had the activation of Jubilee activities within Bahati County, Bahati constituency, Nakuru County. We had 2 meetings, one at Kure Gashula and the other one at the place called Dodoli. And we were able to let the Kenyans in this place know what Jubilee has been doing for the last 4.5 years plus, as opposed to the propaganda that has been sold to many, including those within Mount Kenya region. And people are amazed and surprised by the amount of work that has been achieved by Uhuru Kenyatta, the president, and the Jubilee government, and bouncing it against the lies that have been peddled aloud for the last 4.5 years. Crucially to us is that the work that has been done by Jubilee must continue because it is not complete. And we want the projects that were started to be completed. They can only be completed by those who respect what has been done by Jubilee, those who helped us achieve what we have achieved at the Jubilee, and those who agreed to give the President Uhuru Kenyatta space and time to achieve what he has achieved. Without doubt, he has achieved more than any other president has achieved since 1963. And it is important to know that all these were enabled by the handshake between the President Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Amolo Odinga. We are also making them aware that there is work that will need to be completed, and it can only be completed at an arrangement that is clearly understood by those who wish as well. And as we start today, the arrangement that we think is useful for us today, tomorrow and the day after is Azimio, and the person we are looking after, or we are looking at to lead the Azimio team, is Baba the Fifth. And it is a message we are calling to all our 20 plus counties. If we understand that unity of the nation is very important, continuity of what we have always been doing is very important. We do not want to abandon what has been started by the previous government. We want to continue with it. And when we understand also that key is the fight against corruption.